You know, talking to new people can feel strange.
Yeah, your mind goes silent, your heart beats fast.
And you think, what do I say?
But confidence is not about being perfect.
It's about being friendly.
You don't need big words.
You just need small words with warm energy.
Today, let's practice those small, powerful words together.
Let's start with the most important one.
Hello.
A simple hello is not just a word.
It's like opening a door.
If you open it gently, people smile back.
Listen to the difference. Hello. Hello.
It's not about English, it's about energy.
Say it with us. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Don't whisper. Let your voice come out.
Your voice deserves to be heard.
Let's try a few more. Hi there. Good to see you. You look happy today.
Each one is simple.
But each one is friendly. Greetings are easy. But what comes after hello?
The silence moment.
Two people, no words, just confusion.
So let's fix that.
Use simple follow-up questions.
How's your day?
Are you enjoying yourself?
Do you come here often?
What do you like to do for fun?
Don't worry about grammar.
Focus on connection.
Even one good question can start a real talk.
Let's act it as a conversation. Hello there.
Hi. Nice day today, isn't it?
Yeah, the sun feels good.
I'm Daniel, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Sarah.
Now you say your name.
Nice to meet you.
Now, are you enjoying your day?
That's good to hear.
Do you come here often?
I see.
Ask me a question. Good question.
You are talking better already.
No more shy speaking.
Starting a conversation is good.
But ending it politely is also important.
You don't have to disappear.
Just use one friendly sentence. Nice talking to you.
I'm going now, but it was great to meet you.
Let's talk again soon.
Have a great day.
Let's act it simply.
So, it was nice chatting with you.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
I have to go now, but let's talk again soon.
Sure. Have a great day.
Now, your turn. Say one goodbye line.
Good.
Let's practice pronunciation slowly, then faster. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
How's your day? How's your day?
How's your day? How's your day?
Have a great day. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon.
Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon.
Small words, big smile.
Your voice is strong.
Speak with confidence.
We are proud of you.
You did well today.
You spoke simple but confident words.
Keep using them in real life.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Just be friendly and speak.
Say hello.
Ask one question.
End politely.
That is confidence.
If you want more speaking practice, stay with us.
Comment one simple line below.
For example, write, "Nice to meet you. How's your day?"
Copy it, post it, practice it.
See you in the next session.
Speak with courage.
We are with you.